Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm artist Hilary. I work with watercolors, natural color, and indigo. I created this channel so that I could share my special workshops and tutorials with you. I've been creating art and teaching art for over 10 years now. I create textile designs, lecture on fine art, and also on sustainable dye practices. I have collaborated with some of the top brands and created workshops for amazing companies. I have a special love for independent design and small businesses that are working toward sustainable practices. I have two courses that are very popular. One is called Watercolor for Relaxation, and the other is Intro to Natural Dyes Primary. Watercolor for Relaxation is anybody who wants to learn fundamental watercolor techniques in an abstract way to create minimal, cool, modern abstract works of art. In my natural dye course, which is created specifically for anybody who wants to welcome sustainability into their wardrobe, we learn the foundations of natural color and we apply it to different things in our closet and also our home. When I'm not in my dye studio, you'll find me most likely teaching art classes, spending time with my family, and also practicing yoga. Click subscribe to be the first to know about any upcoming classes and new free tutorials. I'm so happy that you're here.